with y'all.
What's going on? My news. Going on YouTube, back again, but back in a while for another video, and today we are going to Import Alliance Spring 2019. Cars are everywhere. We're about to go see if we're gonna meet up with some folks. As you can see, your boy Nick kind of got some paint finally down on his car, crystal clean. I didn't get to record, but he also has another engine swap. Alright, the 240 is here. Hey Dad, can you say hi? Sure.
No, I got pants.
Can you say hi?
I got some. What's up, guys? Okay, I got some.
Whoa. Hey, can you say hi? Hey man, what's going on, fool? What's going on? Oh, that's not what I meant. There you go. We're about to get ready to head out soon. Trying to figure out where we're going. But I just wanted to start off the video now. It's about probably 5 o'clock now in the morning, and just got a little something to eat at the Quick Trip. And yeah, let's see how today goes. And I'm just gonna record as vlogging style, nothing really major, and troll around the rest of the day. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe for more funny content, for more car video content. I'll try to upload more often, but I've been in a little downpour, so haven't really got to doing that in the works. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe.
Damn, where your mustache at, bro?
You got him a 37% off.
Oh, a couple hours later, camera.
It's worth it, bro. Damn. It's a great idea.
And then he's trying to sell it for more than what? Why are you trying to sell it for more than? Yeah. Why are you trying to sell it for more than it's worth? Why are you trying to sell it for more than it's worth? What is it? All right, update. We finally got out of that grass pack, and we still have to get over there. You see, there's plenty of cars packed. This is the longest I've waited in line for IA, and it's 11:03 a.m. Mind you, we started at 4. I'm here first. It's about time. Gee. He didn't drive at all. Why you wearing beanies hot? I don't hear more get to it. But we're finally all here, I guess. Minus a couple. Yes, man. Yes, man.
Vlog me.
Vlog you.
You can't out-vlog me. I was joking. He was like,
whoa, you licking your lips. I don't know about that.
I'm gonna make a YouTube and blow up.
You gonna make a YouTube and blow up?
Yeah, I'm gonna blow up. This man right here. This man.
See how close it is on me.
This man right here. This man right here. He's trying to out-vlog me. Not taking too long.
Who is this joker?
His video.
Who is this joker?
His video, right?
Who is this joker?
Right?
Alright, the whole entire squad here. And by the way, let me just go ahead and throw out Ace's color review. That looks nice, don't it? I didn't think it was a 3C. And the entire squad has arrived. The entire squad has arrived. We're getting ready to pretty much leave the Atlanta Motor Speedway. Had our fun here. I didn't really record much. Just wanted to take it all in this year. We're about to have a little cookout later, so this will be more of a style vlog and stuff. And if you get to see a little extra, then you see a little bit extra. But yeah, let's go ahead and head out home and go get to some good barbecue grilling and stuff like that. All right, it's day 2 at IA.
My nose running, y'all.
Anyways, we're back. It's day 2 at IA, and I didn't get to record much yesterday because I was just feeling it and, you know, enjoying it. So today I'm gonna start showing you guys everything. I'm gonna try to get you some mini side shows so you guys can enjoy, and you guys are gonna see a couple of pranks hopefully. And
go to Dino.
So we're about to go walk over to the Dino and go meet some other people we got lost with.
He live in Clayco.
Yeah.
Get my car in the background.
Yeah, we're about to go there and meet up with some folks now. Just so y'all can see what this entire thing looks like.
Where did they go?
What are y'all doing? Alright, we're inside the booth station. It's a lot warmer in here. The wind's not blowing and turning your hands into popsicles. I'm very ashy. But just checking out some stuff. I'm gonna show you guys a couple cars. So let's start with that first.
Look.
Alright, we went back outside. We're probably about to go look at some drifting. Battery's about to die, but yeah. I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. I feel like it's not in depth, but hey, I'm trying to enjoy myself too. So let's go ahead, dip. Best Integra ever. It took me about 7 months to build this. So
Have I seen this car?
have you seen it before?
It's mine.
What do you mean it's mine?
Oh, you own it?
Yeah.
Cool, man.
Sure. Let me give you the keys. Here you go.
Look at myself. You got
Same shit.
Let me know. Stop playing around with Zosh's build. Like it ain't glorious. It's not my car, guys. I drive a 350Z. Drive a whole 350.
It's just too much fucking shit. It's loose. Bro, it's just like
Free towing.
Bro,
350Z.
a boosted what?
G35.
Yes, sir.
Now we can trade.
For the BRV.
For the Big boy talk. All that big boy talk.
Not yet. Yeah, nah.
You ain't saying that no more?
You say you gonna cap that? You gapping that? You gapping that? You gapping that?
Oh wow. All that big boy talk. what happens after. But if not, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.
This is a happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end. Come and